In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to immediately back up photos and data to iCloud before wiping your device, specifically for iPhone 6 or later models. It's a simple yet essential process to ensure that all your important information is safely stored in the cloud before you perform a reset. Let's dive right in. To ensure a smooth backup process, start by connecting your iPhone to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This is crucial because backup files can be quite large and a stable Wi-Fi connection will prevent any potential interruptions. Additionally, make sure to plug in your iPhone to a power source. A backup can consume a fair amount of battery and you don't want your device running out of power midway through the process. Once you're connected and powered up, it's time to navigate to iCloud settings. Open the settings app on your iPhone, which is typically represented by a gear icon. Once you're in settings, look towards the top of the menu where your name or the name of the device owner appears. Tap on this section and it will lead you to your Apple ID settings. From here you will see an option labelled iCloud. Go ahead and tap on iCloud to proceed. After entering the iCloud settings, you'll want to look for an option that says iCloud Backup. Tap on this to access the backup settings specifically for iCloud. If you find that iCloud Backup is turned off, don't worry, it's a common occurrence, but it's vital to make sure it's switched on. Toggle the settings so that iCloud Backup is active. By doing this, you're enabling your iPhone to automatically back up its data whenever it's plugged in, locked, and connected to a Wi-Fi network. This can be a lifesaver for future peace of mind as well. Now for the immediate backup process itself, locate and tap the option labelled Backup Now. This will initiate the process of transferring your current data to iCloud. The time it takes to complete the backup will depend on how much data needs to be uploaded and the speed of your internet connection. It's good practice to be patient during this stage. Let your phone sit undisturbed until you receive confirmation that the backup is complete. Once the backup is finished, your photos and data are now securely stored in iCloud. This means you can confidently proceed with wiping your device, knowing that all your valuable data is safely saved and can be restored whenever you need it. And there you have it, you've successfully backed up your iPhone data to iCloud, ensuring everything is in immaculate order before resetting your device. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.